All right, what's up? I wasn't gonna film any of this because I'm kind of like learning as I go, but I guess that makes for a good video. So yesterday at Southern Fresh, I of course see Danyelle with msjracing, and I can't believe she pressured me into such a part. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, I couldn't not, you know? I couldn't not. So anyways, as of right now, I have dove into getting this bezel off. I have, let's see. So far, those are good, by the way. I kind of recommend them. Damn, my carpet looks dirty. Well, it is, but so I got this stuff off. I have loosened this bolt, and then there's another one on the other side. So then that way you can move this down some. Hopefully that's gonna be enough to move, because it sounds like this is really tough to get out if you don't have that kind of movement. So I just got these out. So you see that hole and then that hole, I got these out without really messing anything up. If you take like a nice kind of a sharp flathead, or if you have an ice pick, something like this, it'll make a small indentation, but the plastic kind of bent like right back over. I mean, you can see a little bit, but you can't see it when you're sitting there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going and see if I can get this sucker installed. All right, it's out. It's probably been, I don't know, 5 minutes. Now let's transfer everything over into there. There we are, everything's swapped over. The black already looks really good. I mean, oh no, I scratched it. Of course I did. But yeah, this looks pretty freaking sweet, I will say. So, let's try and get it in the car. All right, here it is. You want to talk about a pain in the butt to get this sucker back in here? It was. It's probably why I wasn't filming. I was in a mood. Yeah, looks sweet. It'll look better once I do like a steering wheel setup, I think. But yeah, bada bing, bada boom. The kind of a run through here. When you take this off, you've got 1, 2, and then 3. There's a little screw hole right there, and then I think I already showed this, but there's 2 bolts under there. I did find it easier when I removed this, that I actually popped this out. I actually thought I broke this. There's a white piece that goes on the back of it that kind of keeps the points where the plug-in goes like aligned, and it literally shot across here. So as I was trying to put it back in, and I had to, yeah. Anyways, but it's in there. It looks cool. Got some cool scene points. I still have the Renegade carbon piece in that box right there. I kind of want to put it in. I kind of don't, because the way I do it, I customize it so I can use my roof, because I like having the soft top. Let's see. I don't know if I ever showed. So I've got the Renegade carbon. Now we've got the carbon right here. I feel like it's not clipped in on the bottom enough. I don't know, whatever. But looks cool. And yeah, anyway, peace.